Hello everybody. Yes, once again welcome to Tally Prime classes. Uh, in yesterday classes, we are learned how to create a company, how to modify company, how to add any fields like a phone number, or if you wanted to change the address of the company, or if you wanted to add a email ID or website address, like that. If you wanted to change the GST number, like that, you how you have to modify the thi- things after creating the company we have learned. Actually, there is a lot of scope for accountants and tally operators and for clerks, but what the students has going to do, what they were going to do is, after completion of the degree, what they were going to do after start learning uh, tally software or accounting related software. What happens if they learn before earlier while learning in the stage of become 1, become 2, or become 3. If they start learning from that stage, it will be very beneficial to them, because at the end of the course, at the end of the degree, their times will be saved, and also they will become, if they started think that if they are started learning in become 1, they can start doing the jobs also, part-time jobs. By that they will get experience, because main important thing is experience. If you don't have experience, then nobody will be entertain you or give an opportunity to work. So to take an job or get a good salary, you have to work from at the stage of learning only, because at the end of the degree you will get easily jobs, and also you will get a uh, salary hike. Okay. uh, Now just I will show you how many tally vacancies are there, and also how much salary we can expect as a tally operator. Just a minute, I will show you. We'll go to Google account, Google, then search here, type google.com and type here tally operator salary per month or per year, you can say. Here it is, tally operator salary in India, 0.2 lakhs to 4.0 lakhs. 2.0 lakhs to 4.0 lakhs means minimum salary you will get 18,000 rupees. Maximum you can get around 35 40 40,000 rupees per month. So it is very high in demand, because everybody in every company or any business, they need a accounting, they have to maintain the accounts, because yeah, they have to maintain the GST bills for to submit the to the government. It will become very difficult to maintain the bills and maintain the GST records. So it is better if you use a software. It will become very easy for billing purpose, for filing the GSTR files. It will become easy. So it is better to use a software to maintain a very good business in your uh, to maintain the financial transactions. Now we have seen tally operator salary in per page. Now we'll see what is the demand tally operator posts. Look here, tally operator post 25 plus computer operator tally accounts related 9128 tally operator jobs and vacancies naukri.com 500 plus tally jobs in Bangalore 2000 tally operator jobs in India 19 new tally operator jobs in Karnataka 40407 tally operators jobs in India. There are 139 tally operators jobs in India. There are a lot of scopes for tally operators, so it is better to learn. A commerce students, every commerce student has to be learn a tally, and every businessman has to be learn a tally, because if they depend on the tally operators, if they left the job, or if they doesn't come to a shop or come to office, then it will become more dependent on the workers. It will become hamper to your business. So it is better to learn tally as a business owner or company owner, whatever. Tally operator post near me. If you type here, you'll get here 25 plus computer operators tally accounts related. It comes then in. I will type here my location. I am from Dharwad. Tally operator jobs in Dharwad 25 plus computer operators, 14 tally operators vacancies in Dharwad district, 18 best tally jobs in Dharwad. So it is very demanding course, so everybody has to be learn, because it is meant for the commerce students. It doesn't mean that commerce students has to be learn, but if you have an interest, you can learn and start your career in tally or commerce field. Okay, now we'll learn how to create a we are learn how we have to create a company. Now we'll learn, just we'll see, just a minute. Assignments we'll see first. Steps to maintain accounts in tally. There are two types of methods. One is account only, and second one is accounts with inventory. First we will see accounts only. Accounts only means whatever the amount has come in and whatever the amount has goes out, we have to maintain only this much. Here with inventory means we have to maintain the track of the goods. How many goods have we have sold, how many goods have came in, like that we have to maintain the inventory. We'll see it next later. First we will learn what we have to learn. First we will start assignment 1, ledger creation with groups. Ledger creation with groups. We will create a ledgers with groups. To create it, go to create, go ledger and type here what to type here. First one is capital. We will type here capital. Capital. Here there are 28 groups, list of groups. Here you have to select the capital account. Here type it Karnataka. I will select it as Karnataka. If you have any opening balance, then you have to give it Now it doesn't have any opening balance, so I will type enter. Press yes to accept. Then drawings account. Drawings also comes under capital account. Go on pressing. Press yes. Then purchase. Purchase at present we doesn't do. You can for practice purpose we will do it. Okay. Purchase. Here we'll select purchase accounts. Then sales accounts. Sales. Here select as a sales. Here we are selecting as a sales account. Here group as a sales. Next, return outwards. Return outwards means it will comes under purchase accounts. Look here, purchase accounts. Next, return inwards. Sorry, return inwards. Here it. Look here, return inwards comes under sales. Account. Next, carriage inwards. Carriage inwards comes under indirect expenses. Carriage outwards also comes under indirect expenses. Carriage outwards. Cartridge. This will comes under fixed asset. Plant and machinery. So you know what we have did. Cartridge comes under indirect expense. We will modify it later. Plant and machinery will see it. Plant and machinery. Fixed asset. Here next comes investments. Furniture also comes under furniture, fixed asset. Next investment comes under investment, investment, investment. It comes under investments. Next investment after that, land and building, land and building comes under fixed assets. Okay, you have to remember that in which the group will lies, ledger will lie. Import duty, import duty, this will come under indirect expenses, indirect expenses. Next comes docks and dues, docks, dues, this also comes under indirect expenses. Okay, now I will press escape key to come out. Come out, escape. I will select alter key and select group, ledger. Here what you have made mistake is in which cartridge. I'll select it, double click on it. Cartridge comes under indirect expenses, indirect expenses. I will modify like this and save it. Okay, these are the list of groups we have now created. Got it? We have successfully completed for creating the for completing the assignment 1 work. Okay, next we will see assignment 2. Next assignment 3 will start step by step. Thank you one and all for watching our video. Thank you. Bye bye. If you have any queries, please WhatsApp to our number. If you have any doubts, we'll try to solve, because we have a experts group, group of friends. If you have any problem in Tally or software, any software, or if you have any doubts in a computer, or if you have any problems in computer, think that if you are working in the night, suddenly something gone wrong, your computer doesn't start, then what you have to do, you can call us. We will try to help you and solve your problem remotely. Okay, thank you one and all.